Oh, wow. Look at that sun, guys. Oh, isn't that amazing? As I rounded the bend, I just got a nice shot of sunlight there. Look at that. I was walking this whole way in darkness. You know, it's shadowy, and then you just come around the corner and there's the sun. So I rounded the bend. The verb is round. To round means to take the corner. Okay, so I rounded the bend. The bend means the turn, the curve in the road. This isn't a road, it's a path. Okay, so I rounded the bend. And look at that sun. It's just, oh, that is incredible, guys. Oh. What's up, Chief? Oh, really? So you're gonna be the big cheese, eh? Well, all the best. Best of luck. Hope you can get the position. Hey, just in the middle of teaching my friends some English here. I gotta run. But all the best, eh? Alright, cheers. Sorry guys, I just got a call from my friend. And he said he's applying to be the boss. Like, he's applying to be the manager of his company. And I thought, whoa, that's pretty cool. Do you know what word I used? I said, so you're gonna be the big cheese, eh? Do you know what that means? Okay, big cheese is another term. It's a slang term for manager or boss, or you know, any top person. It could be a politician, could be some leader, the top person in any situation. Okay, you could say they're the big cheese. Now, I also, when I answered the phone, I said, "Sup, Chief." What's up? It's, you know, you can say sup, Chief. What is a chief? A chief also means the top. It's a slang word that means the top. Now, the chief doesn't need to be a slang word. It's actually a real word. It's the leader of a tribe. Okay, so if you come to Canada here, you might see real chiefs, leaders of Indigenous tribes. You know, like the First Nations people who have lived in Canada for thousands of years. You know, there were many different tribes of people, and each tribe had a chief. Well, to this day, the tribes in Canada have chiefs. So if you come to Alberta or you go anywhere, you know, in Canada, you will see, you know, chiefs of the, you know, these tribes. Now, sometimes you'll see the chiefs wearing, you know, the headdress, the full headdress. It looks cool. I love that look, guys. It's kind of awesome. So, you know, they are called chiefs to this day. That's their title. You know, just like the prime minister, or in Canada here, the leaders of the provinces are called premiers. So right now, the premier of the premier of Alberta is a woman named Danielle Smith. She is the premier of Alberta. Okay, smash like if you didn't know that. Guys, look at this. On the snow on the canal here, guys. Someone, looks like there's a path there. Someone tried to go out there and... Wow. Looks like there's a rabbit. A rabbit was hopping around here. So maybe I should go on the ice, guys. I just don't want the ice to break, and I don't want to fall into the freezing cold water. It's below freezing now. The temperature is probably about maybe about -2, -3, something like that. But in the sun, it's not too bad, you know. There's a big difference here in Canada if you're in the sun or you're in the shade. If you're in the shade, it feels cold. Actually, it is a bit cold out here. I probably should have worn my winter hat and my gloves, but it's all right. I just wanted to make a short video today to teach you these some slang words for, you know, boss or manager or top, anybody you want to call top. So I called my friend Chief. Now, is he really my boss? Is he really? Guys, look at these tracks here. What is that? Is that a dog? Is that a fox or a wolf? Maybe a wolf. I don't know. But so sometimes people just, you know, in a slang way, they call their friends chief or boss. Guys, every man and his dog is out here today. So many dogs, but actually it's a nice day, right? It's a nice day. It's look at that blue sky, nice sunset there. Guys, it's like 3 o'clock. You know, in the winter the sun sets so, you know, yeah, the sun sets so early. Like there it is, right? It's about 3 o'clock. In another hour the sun will be down. So that's one depressing thing about living here in Canada. But anyway, so getting back to my point, sometimes people call their friends just you know, they call them maybe chief or top dog. Have you ever heard that before? Top dog means big cheese. Chief, you know. Now top dog and big cheese are slang. Chief can be slang, or it can be a real person, like the real position, chief. So when the way I talked to my friend, I said, "Sup, chief," right? I was just using it in a slang way. I wasn't really saying he's a chief. But if you come to Canada and you talk to these real chiefs, you will probably call them chief whatever their name is. Okay, so you start by saying chief and then you say the name that they go by. Okay, so it's respectful, right, to give someone to say their title like before. You know, a lot of people, for example, who comment on my videos from places like India or other countries, they call me Teacher Mark. Now, why do they call me Teacher Mark? Because they are using the title. I'm a teacher, and they're using my name, right? In many cultures, it's disrespectful to call someone by their first name. Just to call your teacher or the leader of a country. Like here in Canada, the Prime Minister's name is Justin Trudeau. So a lot of people would address him as Prime Minister Trudeau. They wouldn't say, "Hey Justin, what's up Justin?" You know, I might do that. If I get a call from Justin, "What's up Justin? Oh, so you're the big cheese, eh? Oh, you better not screw around." Oh, what's that? Oh, you are screwing around. Oh, you're hurting our country? Destroying people's lives? Oh. Okay, well, enough of talking to you. Right, I'd probably say that. But, so, there are slang ways to say boss or manager, right? So you could say big cheese or top dog. Now there's one other one I was thinking of. What is that? Head honcho. That's right. Head honcho. Guys, I'm losing my throat. I'm losing my voice here. Gotta go for a nice hot chocolate after this to warm up my voice box. Okay, so head honcho is another slang way to say boss, right? Head honcho, big cheese, top dog, chief. Those are different ways to say the same thing. right? So if you are the boss of your company, you are the head honcho. You know, so I could have told my friend, oh, so you're gonna be the big cheese, eh? Or you're gonna be the head honcho, eh? Or you're gonna be the top dog, eh? All those words mean the same thing, okay? So my friend is applying to be the manager of the company. If he gets the job, he will be, I mean, if he gets the manager position, he will be the head honcho. He will be the top dog. He will be the big cheese. He will be the chief. You know, there are many, probably dozens of different terms for this. I just thought about 3. Those are very common 3 that I wanted to teach you today. Maybe you didn't know those. So remember, these are slang, and it's just kind of a fun way to talk. You can call your friends this. Or you could say, if your friend tells you to do something, or if your friend is being a bit bossy, maybe you could say, who made you the head honcho? Who made you head honcho around here? Or who made you the big cheese? Or maybe your friend is a bit arrogant. Maybe your friend is trying to control your life or something. You say, who made you the top dog? I'm the top dog. I'm the big cheese here at Mad English TV, right? I don't know, guys. I think you're the big cheese. You're the ones who helped me, right? Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for always smashing like and for leaving nice comments and sharing my videos and everything you do. I really appreciate that. So I just want to say thank you. You are the big cheese, my friends. I'm just an employee here in Mad English TV. You guys treat me well, you know. I even have time to come out here and enjoy the sunset. That is gorgeous. Man, isn't that beautiful? That is a very beautiful scene right there. So guys, from here in Alberta, Canada, I want to wish you a great day. Hope you're staying healthy and happy and safe in these perilous times. Perilous means dangerous. Okay, so stay safe in these perilous times. I'm gonna go get a cup of hot chocolate or tea or something like that to warm up my hands and to warm up my voice box. So guys, with that, I love you so much, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.